Hi viewers, today I want to show you how works the antifreeze coolant tester. It's the one which I show you at the beginning. So I ordered a coolant tester and received it today. It's like the one I showed you before. It's a cheap and very easy to use. Let's go. The tester basically indicates the protection level of the coolant in your car system. On the tester, there is a scale that shows the temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. Using these testers involves opening the pressure cap, but remember, never ever open radiator or cooling tank when it's hot. The coolant must be cold. Never open hot radiator or coolant tank. Process is very simple. You simply draw a small amount of the liquid from the tank, and the arrow on the tester will show you how good or bad your coolant is. A floating arrow in the tester tells you the freezing temperature of your coolant. Some of you told me this tester is a fake and doesn't work. To verify if the tester is working and not fake, I fill it with the tap water. And the arrow stayed at the bottom as expected. I added the link for the antifreeze coolant test in the description. So if you want to check how good condition is your coolant in your car, you can buy exactly the same which I use on my video.